Hi friends, so today we shall talk about how to take care of our knee joint and relieve the pain at home during this phase of quarantine when we cannot go out and be with our acupuncturist for treatment, etc. So today let us see how we can take care of the pain in knee joint. Any pain in the joint is a result of inflammation most of the times, like arthritis. Now, this inflammation can be, you will say the pain can be settled by taking a painkiller. But that is really not worth it. You may take a painkiller when you have seen all the other measures, you have taken the measures and they have not relieved, then you can access to a painkiller. Not just at the first onset of pain, you pop in a painkiller. That is not really good. So let us see how we will help. Being inflammation, our first aim should be to reduce the inflammation rather than silence the pain by painkillers. How will we reduce this inflammation? There are various ways. By the help of proper food, topical applications, alternative healing measures, exercise, and last, medication if all the above have not helped. First of all, let's talk about food. Reduce the sugar intake by 60 to 70% because sugar is the main cause of inflammation in our body. Include foods like almonds, avocados, broccoli, carrots, blueberries, beans, kale, spinach, olive oil, oranges, sweet potatoes, walnuts. These are the anti-inflammatory foods. You can easily prepare a salad of whatever available at this point of time from this list, and you can have it in this way. Spices like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon are also helpful in reducing the inflammation. But do not take large quantities of these. They are really very strong. Coming to the topical application, castor oil is a very good anti-inflammatory oil. It also draws the lymphocytes to the site of inflammation, thereby promoting quick healing. Now, how this has to be applied? It has to be slightly warm and you have to apply it on your knee joint. Wrap it with a hot towel, and again this you have to wrap with a cling film. By doing this, it will be in position for 5 to 6 hours. Preferably you can do it at night. Alternative therapies can also be done like acupressure and suzhou. According to TCM says that arthritis can be taken as a liver blood deficiency because liver blood nourishes and lubricates the tendons and the joints. So you have to look into it. What food is it that you're eating that is disturbing your liver? Is it to excess of alcohol? Is it excess of processed food? Just look into it. You can eat a little bit of raw food to help your liver. Sleep at the right time before 11 p.m. This again helps your liver. Also, be away from dairy products and sweet foods. Take care that you should take more of hot soups. Steamed and stir-fry vegetables will also be helpful. Taking suzhou into consideration, you can apply methi patti. This is a methi patti that I have made. You can apply over the joints on your middle finger and the ring finger. As you see over here, I have applied on the middle finger. You can apply on the ring finger also. So these both are the positions for the knee joints. This can be done to both your hands. This also preferably you have to do at night so that they stay in place for at least 6 to 7 hours and they relieve a lot. Do mild exercise to keep the joint mobile. Do not overstrain the joint. Just maintain the flexibility and monitor it on a daily basis. It should improve. The flexibility of joint should improve, as we need to strengthen the muscles around the joint to help the joint from cartilages wearing off and causing friction. Medication. If the pain is really unbearable, you can resort to medication. I personally do not suggest any painkillers, but you can take your call on this. Being a homeopath, I suggest medicines like arnica, rustox, bryonia, colchicum, but these all have to be taken if indicated by your symptoms. In my private practice, I always suggest to my patients to take water in which the methi seeds have been soaked overnight. In the morning, you just strain it and drink this entire water. Methi seeds, they have an anti-inflammatory substance called linolenic acid. This is how it helps our body with respect to inflammation. Also, massaging a point called LI4 over here, as you can see. Massage this point for at least 2 minutes for 4 to 5 times in a day. This releases the endorphins, that is the painkillers of our body. So these were the ways by which you can take care of inflammation of the joint, and especially at this point of time when doctors are not available. I hope this information is of some use to you and relieves the joint pains if at all you have any. Thank you.